you talking to this morning, huh? Who are you talking to? Me? No? Oh, okay. Okay, you come sit with Coco. There we go. Can I pet you now? Will you let me pet you if you're up here? There we go. Look at all those beautiful feathers. I love them. Who loves the beautiful feathers? Why do you do that? Leave Cookie. Come on. Let Cookie have some fun for a minute. He's so hard on him. Well, he trusts you enough to keep his head down, though, doesn't he? He must be really wanting pets. You want pets, too? Yeah. Do you see Newman in the window? Not a boy. See? Me and Coco are better friends than you and Newman. Right? We don't try and feed Cookie, do we, Coco? No. What are you doing? Should we get you down in case you slip? Okay, now what? Are you going to go see Newman? How are you going to get over that cord? Go around it. That's a good idea. Let's see how he figures out this problem. He's got Ellie. He's got a vacuum. Whoa! Oh boy! You decided to fly over the problem. Here. No flying, mister. Do you want to get... I'll help you out. Come on, let's go. You go over here with Newman. There we go. There's Newman. You guys are so silly. Here, why don't we put you up here? There we go. Okay. Hey, Newman. Quit it. Leave Cookie alone. Don't do that, okay? You leave Cookie. Leave him. Let Cookie have fun by himself up here. Come here. We'll go get your breakfast now. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, sweetie? I bet you are. I think your breakfast was first. Right?